Is any of this even worth repurchasing? There's probably $1,000 in products that I've used up the last season. $1,000. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to the Girl Boss Beauty community. I'm Stacey Elaine, and I make videos for the modern working woman. We are fashion and beauty obsessed, but yes, we are also cognizant of our budget and the bills, which is why I film these type of videos where I go through all of my product empties for the last season. So today I'll go through fall and winter empties and let you know what's really worth the coin and if there are any regrets, because there's nothing worse than spending your hard-earned money on products that you regret. So if you like the vibe, please subscribe. Now let's get started in today's video. I'm gonna start off the empties with one home product, and it is the Body Shop Home Fragrance Oil. This is in the scent Satsuma. I have used it up. I love these oils. I have so many burners around the house. I'm very sensitive to smells, and I absolutely love for when people come into my home on the first floor that it smells good upon entry. And so I have a Body Shop oil burner on every floor, and I have different scents, and I would definitely repurchase this. I think it is so worth the coin. Next, let's talk about makeup. Out of all of my makeup empties, there are only 3 that I think are worth repurchasing. That is the Ilia Limitless Lash Mascara. I have this sample size, but I did go and buy the full size of this. So I love this. I also love the Ilia's Fullest Volumizing Mascara. I also think this is worth the coin and would buy this in the full size, but I chose the Limitless Lash version instead. Also is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eyebrow Pencil. I did go and buy this in the full size. I accidentally broke this one and went and repurchased. I think it is worth the coin. Now, what I don't think I will repurchase is the Fenty Beauty mascara, the full frontal, not worth it to me. The Evolution of Smooth Lip Balm, not worth it. The Pixie Lip Oil, totally not worth it. I was trying to save money on my Dior lip oils, which is what I'm wearing today, and I just don't think it's worth it. I would just buy the Dior. The Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, I think Anastasia is better, so that's why I didn't repurchase this one. And I have a video comparing the Makeup Forever and the Marc Jacobs eyeliners. I don't think either one of these are worth the coin because my favorite eyeliner is now from L'Oreal. Now let's go into hair care. Out of all of my hair care empties, there's actually only one that I would not repurchase, and it's a 10 Miracle Defrizzing Cream. I actually picked this up from TJ Maxx. I don't think it gave my hair that much definition, and the humidity in Houston is just gonna make my hair frizz anyway. I'm always gonna have frizz on my naturally curly hair, so this, I think it just built up the product in my hair. It left it white on certain days, and I was not a fan, so I would not repurchase this product. But the rest of these are worth the coin. And so it's the Camille Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk. Love everything by Camille Rose. I really haven't tried a product by this brand that I don't like, and when people ask me how I keep my natural hair moisturized, I normally take them to Camille Rose. You can find it at Target. I also have Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight. This is one of my favorite shampoos. The nozzle is everything. It lasts like forever though, like, oh my gosh. But I do know they have a couple other of these I would totally repurchase. I recommend this for braids, for weaves, for any style where you want to get right into the scalp. Honey, this is it. Also, the Carol's Daughter Hair Milk. This is the curl refresher spray. Me and my boyfriend use this. We both love it. The Taraji P. Henson Keep Shining Dry Oil Mist. This is not a mist. Why I like this though is that I would spray it on my hands, rub it, and then spray it, like apply it to my hair like this, and I think it's so worth it. I also use this a whole bunch when I had braids, and that's when I really love it. So if you have braids and you really want to oil that scalp, I highly recommend this. Another product I used a lot when I had braids were the Camille Rose Rejuva Drops Grow Back. I didn't want any breakage. I didn't want any issues with my braids. And so this is a product that I use and I would totally repurchase. Now, I have been using the entire line of the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado. I think this is another fabulous line if you have natural hair and you want to keep it moist yet strong. This is the curl enhancing mousse, which I really love. I love this mousse. And then the sulfate free shampoo. It was my favorite shampoo probably that I used for a while. Is very moisturizing, so highly recommend both of these. The last category of products we will go through is skincare. This is for face and body. I will tell you that I was a product hoarder, y'all. I had so many products and I have been trying to be more intentional about using up the products I have, whether I like it, either I think it's mediocre. If I spent my money on it, I'm gonna try to use it. So there are quite a few products here because I had like a huge stash and I'm still working through it right now. So I will go through the products. I will tell you if I thought it was worth it or not. But honestly, a lot of these I won't repurchase just because I'm being more intentional about my spending and I don't plan on having a whole stash like I used to. So I'm working smarter, not harder with my money. I don't need all of these backups and, you know, duplicates of so many products. Now, skincare and body care. I picked up this Clean Beauty Hydrating Facial Oil from Marshall's. I won't repurchase because I don't actually need a separate facial oil. I feel like if I use the On a Mission Skincare Vitamin C Serum, that vitamin C is so moisturizing. It's like an oil with the vitamin C in it. So I don't need a separate oil. I won't repurchase. The Dove spray. I used to use these all the time, but now I use an all-natural deodorant by Sephora. And so if the summer comes and that starts to get a little funky, I'm going to go back to this. But if the all-natural deodorant works for me in the summer, I'm going to stick with the Sephora all-natural deodorant. Just saying. The La Roche-Posay Triple Repair Moisturizing Cream. This I already repurchased. It's already back in my arsenal because I absolutely love it. This is for dry face and body. It is so rare to find a dual product. So I use this as a nighttime thick moisturizer after I put on my actives. And then I can also use it as a lotion for my body. And I highly recommend. I love this product and have already repurchased it. The body washes. I would repurchase all of these, to be honest. This is the Corez Coconut Guava Shower Gel. Love this. Love it. Very clean. The Olay Hyaluronic Acid Nourishing Hydrating. Love it. Would repurchase. The Lapsley Body Wash. This has collagen, biotin, and vitamin E. Love it. Would repurchase. But what I won't do is have all three of these at the same time. I'm just going to have my one body wash and move on if I need another. I do not need a stash of body washes right now. The Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. Yes, I have gone through 2 in this one season. In the fall and the winter, I have used 2 of these, and I will be repurchasing. It is a staple in my skincare routine. You can see my skincare routine here. I just filmed a video over that. This, we gonna keep. Yes, repurchase. I won't have a stash, but she will be in the collection. Let me just say that. Staying on the Estee Lauder tip, we are now to the Night Repair Eye Cream. This is, they call it a like eye gel. Love this and will be repurchasing. It is worth the coin. I believe this has made my under eyes look better at 40 than they did at 30. I mentioned it in my skincare routine. I need this. I need it. Now, if someone can tell me, are there dupes of this? Are there dupes of this that I can find somewhere so that I can save some coin? Because this right here is, one set is like $150. It's craziness. Did you know that Alicia Keys has her own skincare line? I tried out the Keys Soul Care Skin Transformation Cream. Highly recommend. I loved this, but I just think it was a little small. And what I didn't like was how the bottle, it was very hard to get all the product out of here. However, in terms of a moisturizer, I really love this. Check out the Alicia Keys line. And since we're talking about moisturizers, I also used up the Clinique Moisture Surge. I don't really recommend this because I feel like it's just a topper for me. My skin is too dry. I won't repurchase this. One staple I love is the Olu Henriksen Sheer Transformation Perfecting Moisturizer. I've been going back to this for years. I probably will keep this in my collection at some point. And then I also tried the Olay Regenerist Collagen Peptide. Olay has an entire line of like skincare moisturizers with different active ingredients, and I definitely recommend checking out one based on your skincare needs. I also tried the Good Molecules Niacinamide Brightening Toner. I realized by using this toner that I like toners that I can spray on. So I probably won't repurchase one that needs a cotton pad. I also tried this skincare line called Butter. Now, Butter Vitamin C Serum, love this. You can buy it at Nordstrom. The skincare line is made by a Black person for Black skin. And this Butter line right here, honey, is excellent. Love this vitamin C, and I would repurchase it again. Of course, if I use all of these vitamin C's and all of these serums, I use a good sunscreen, and the sunscreen that I use is by Neutrogena. It's the Invisible Daily Defense 60 Plus, and I've already repurchased. This has been like the skincare I've used for the entire year. I have the Peter Thomas Roth AAH BHA Acne Clearing Gel. I would repurchase this and keep this because anytime I got a pimple in the past, this is a reminder. I need to purchase this right now. I would just put this little thing on and like 2 days later it was gone. I feel like my pimples take longer to go away and they're more prone to leaving a dark mark when I don't have this. So highly recommend the Peter Thomas Roth AAH BHA Acne Clearing Gel. It's like a vibe. Like, it really does work. And my boyfriend would use it as well. And when I ran out, he was just like, where is the pimple stuff? We don't have any more. The Acure Ultra Hydrating Green Juice Cleanser. I'm using another Acure facial wash right now, but I highly recommend the Acure brand, and I really did like this facial cleanser because I have dry skin. Okay, the Peter Thomas Roth Rose Stem Cell Bio Repair Gel Mask might be my favorite facial mask ever. Like, it has a pinky rosy hue. I bought a like 5 set of the Peter Thomas Roth masks, and this is the one I always use up first. It's always gone first because I just love it that much. I think it is excellent, and now I know I should probably stop buying the entire line and just buy this mask. Like, note to self. I also, when I travel, I like to take travel size products with me. And so I used up the Clinique All About Eyes eye cream. I probably won't repurchase this just because I thought it made my eyes water. Also, the Danessa Myricks Beauty Oil. I've already repurchased this. This is fabulous. Now, I repurchased it, but I don't use it because the Sierra's On a Mission skincare line, the vitamin C is so moisturizing that it just replaced the beauty oil. So like I said earlier, I really don't use separate beauty oils. It's a 2-in-1 and I love it. Oh, you guys, I forgot a hair product, and this is by Adwoa Beauty. It's the Boa Mint Deep Conditioning Treatment for Dry Textured Hair. I purchased this last year from Sephora in a like black beauty kit. And this was in there, and I really love this conditioning treatment, and I would repurchase the full size if I wasn't like just wearing wigs right now. But if I was caring for my natural hair, I would repurchase this. I think this is worth the coin. So those are all of my empties for fall and winter. It's a lot of money on this floor. A lot of it I probably did not need to purchase when I did purchase it. But like I said in the past, I now know better and I'm doing better. I'm using up everything that I own, and I'm being very intentional about what I add back because I'm trying to free up space. I'm trying to get rid of the clutter, and I'm trying to take very good care of myself. And having so much stuff, I just feel like it brings down my health. So I'm going to do better by having fewer products. We'll see in the next empties if I have fewer products for spring and summer. But if you like the vibe, please subscribe. Let me know what was your favorite fall and winter product that you used up this year. What was your go-to product for your hair, your body, and your face? I would love to know because we're a community and we are always sharing what's good out here in the beauty streets. Until next time, I hope you are blessed to be a blessing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.